Are you still drowning in spreadsheets, manual data entry, and endless piles of invoices? For most finance professionals, 70% of the day is wasted on repetitive tasks instead of high-value analysis. Every manual entry is a potential error, and every hour spent on a calculator is an hour lost from growing your business. But what if you could win back 20 hours a week? Today, I'm showing you how finance automation is changing the game, and how you can start today to reclaim your time. Simply put, finance automation is using technology to complete accounting and financial tasks with minimal human intervention. It's not about replacing people, it's about replacing busy work. We're talking about AP and AR automation, digital expense management, and real-time bank reconciliation. Imagine a system where your bank transactions categorize themselves and your invoices sent themselves. It turns your financial data into a living, breathing system that works while you sleep. Why should you care? Let's break down the three core benefits. First, precision. Humans make typos. Software doesn't. Automation eliminates the risk of manual errors that can cost your company thousands. Second, speed. What used to take a week, like month-end closing, now takes hours. And third, real-time insights. You don't have to wait for a monthly report to know if your business is profitable. With automation, you can see your cash flow in a single click, allowing you to make faster, smarter business decisions. The best part is, you don't need a $1 million budget to start. You can leverage tools like Zapier to connect your existing apps, QuickBooks or Xero for cloud accounting, and Bill.com for seamless payments. My advice? Start small. Don't try to automate your whole department overnight. Pick one major bottleneck, like manual expense reporting or invoicing, and automate that first. Once you see the time savings, you'll never want to go back. The future of finance isn't manual, it's automated. If you want to stay competitive in today's market, you need to step away from the data entry and start acting as a strategic partner to your business. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance technology tips. I want to hear from you. What is the one financial task you hate doing manually? Let me know in the comments below, and let's find a way to automate it. Thanks for watching.